hello. This will be a brief watch list video for next week. So, okay, I'll just touch upon the Aussie dollar. This is the first time I've actually seen it. I checked my phone, obviously, but this is the first time I've checked the computer here just to see, like in full size, how it actually closed for the day yesterday. Let's see the daily candle. So it's just hovering. Like, it's still very fragile to, headline news about coronavirus and everything like that. And the situation is very far from under control now, unfortunately, in Australia. Like, it's not to the extent of the US, but there's just a lot of uncertainty. And, it definitely had teased a break of 70 cents, and that didn't quite work out. So it's interesting. It's peaked, bottomed, maybe bouncing. We'll see. I've found myself trading the Aussie dollar nearly exclusively just with my schedule, and it just seems to suit my style of trading. Like, it doesn't move aggressively, which is good because I don't honestly like that. But I need to get better at tolerating that because it limits my growth potential as well. So let's go to US Swiss. I didn't get this long. It looks like it's turning over. The Euro US dollar actually interesting. Look, to me, it looks like risk is still on with market sentiment, and US dollar is still showing signs of weakness as well as what it's. So my overall analysis is sort of suggesting that gold as well had a nice little push high, maybe a sell here as well. It's tried and failed a few times to get through and hold well above 810. I think recent highs was 818. That's a nice little voice crack as well. 15, another 15. We've got 13. This one here, 15. So really, very much, it looks like we just need some dramatically poor news, and I don't see that happening, honestly. It's just going to be stable with the numbers, although in the US it could prove me wrong here as well. They continue with the high tests that are occurring. Even in Victoria, on the other side of the country, it's not looking fantastic. It just sort of keeps steadily increasing, by 10 or so more each day, which is concerning. So I would say overall, if we see the markets continue to rally, we're going to see US weakness, and we're going to see moves higher in the Aussie. It's just slow, though. You know what I mean? Like, you could be holding the Aussie dollar for a while and just, letting it do its thing. S&P 500 was, closed pretty bullish as well to finish the session off. Interesting little situation there, how it ended. I mean, I wouldn't really call that bullish how it actually closed on the 4-hour candle. I mean, the daily was relatively bullish. Got a new desk here, guys, as well. I saw in the US equity markets, well, Tesla sort of definitely cooled down a little bit. Not selling off, just very minimal movement in the price, and Apple as well. So things were a little bit more, neutral to end the week off. And then the pound is also, I mean, it's just hovering. It's not really that exciting to look at that, to be fair, in regards to setups. So I don't really see a lot, honestly, guys. I'm going to need some more information from the start of next week's session. And that's sort of it. I mean, Aussie Kiwi, if we draw in here. So, I mean, you could put a thesis there of a trend line play, but it's not substantial enough for me to go and say, like, yeah, again, it's going to be interesting to see what the Aussie does with risk sentiment. But it seems that the markets have been very resilient in regards to how they've been responding to the COVID situation in the States with their equity markets, and our equity markets as well have been holding up pretty well. So I would say optimism is still there until we see some clear indicators from the markets. Like 2 down days in a row would be like, oh, okay. And then the third, still, you'd be like, it's a little bit concerning. But that's it, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now.